friends, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Sorry for my hair. Woo, this is rough. But it looks like you made it to the right place. Today's video is a chit chat, get ready with me, kind of like a little life update, spilling some stuff, telling you some info about me currently, things that I'm planning, things that I'm doing, things that have happened recently. Yeah, so it's just kind of boring. If you don't care anything about me, you can leave, but if you want to stay and I don't know, listen, feel free to. Yeah, we're just gonna be doing this look. It ended up being totally different than what I thought it would be. Really fun. So we're just gonna chit chat, get ready, kick back, relax, and enjoy the show, but subscribe before you leave. And here we go. So what do you guys want to talk about today? What's going on with you? What is new in your life? How are you liking school if you're in school? How's work if you work? How's your dating life? I'm kidding. I'm not really gonna talk through like what I'm doing. I mean, I may be like, this is what I'm using, but I'm mainly just going to just kind of chit chat. That was beautiful, beautiful. As you can see, my skin is not looking pretty, in my opinion. Right now, she is having some bad reactions. I'm not really sure what. Probably I only have been eating vegetables like every 3 days, which is not good. So I guess since you can't really talk to me, I guess I'll just talk about myself. So I'm still in school. It's getting close to like, what, we've been in school like 5 weeks now, I think my professor had said today. So I had 4 tests this week. What? No, I did not. I had 2 tests on Monday. I had a presentation, which I will talk about in a little bit how that went. Oh, that was rough. And then I had a paper due on Tuesday. I have another paper that was supposed to be due Wednesday, but my professor extended the deadline to next Wednesday because it's not like a paper. It's like a foreign policy analysis memo for another country. Even though he was so gracious to extend the deadline, your girl still has not started. Sorry, everything I said was just like super boring. That's my life. If you haven't already checked it out, go check out my video of where Pink sent me some clothes. I was so excited about that, y'all. That's like been a goal of mine since the beginning of YouTube. Like, I just really wanted to work in with them because I love Pink so much, and I have gotten like a relationship with the brand a little bit more, and got to know like the people that work there, and they're just super cool and super nice. But yeah, I've been doing some pink rep stuff. Go follow me on Instagram at clairebdoll if you want to see more of my life as a pink rep, or you can follow Auburn Pink on Instagram if you want to see like stuff we do. So ignore the fact that I have pretty much a unibrow right now. I lost my tweezers like a couple weeks ago, so as you can see, my eyebrows just look awful. So what are your plans for the day? Right now, I'm filming this. It's a Thursday. It's a Thursday at like 7 at night. It's kind of late. So my original plans for the night, on Thursdays, I normally go to church for a youth group. Like, it's like, well, not really a youth group. It's like a college student night. And tonight, it's my roommate's birthday is Monday, and she has to study this weekend, so we couldn't really celebrate her birthday this weekend. So tonight, it's like homecoming week for Auburn. We're gonna go to this country concert that was being put on for free, like on campus, and it's Chris Lane and John Party, and I feel really bad because I had no clue who those people were, but then I went and played their music. I still don't know really any of Chris Lane's songs, which I thought I knew his name more, but John Party, he sings that like head over boots for you song, and I was like, oh goodness. So we decided we were gonna go to that with some friends, but I'm not sure what we're gonna do. We're probably gonna go grab some food, just have a girls' night, hang out with some other friends, like some bingo. And so she's 22, and she's turning 22 Monday, and she's really been making me think about, like, I'm gonna be 22 in December, and I've been thinking about like what I want to do for my birthday, because I feel like 22, it's like the last age that I'm going to turn while I'm in college, and then I'm adult, and then it's like I don't celebrate my birthday again ever, really. But anyway, my birthday is December 12th, 12/12. If you know, you've seen my videos, 12 is like my number. Birthday is on a Wednesday, I believe, and it's during finals week, which is like, it happened last year. Auburn like pushed their exam week back a week, which is like super frustrating, but it's whatever. Since my birthday is on a Wednesday, I really can't celebrate it with my friends until like January because we're gonna be studying for finals. But I've been looking into planning a trip. And so this trip that I'm like planning, well, I'm kind of planning it. This is what I do for fun in my classes. I'll look up cheap plane tickets and cheap hotel rooms. But I was talking to my mom the other day about possibly going to New York City, not for my birthday per such, but like on December 14th after my final exam, or either that Saturday morning, leave and go to New York because I have like a job opportunity in New York. I'll tell a story later if everything like works out for that, because New York's my dream. And I met this lady and we met in like a super cool way, and where she works in New York is like somewhere I would live to work for. Like that would just be amazing. And so she has like offered to like kind of let me come tour and meet people and see if I would really want to work there, and I was like yes. And so the thing is I just need to go to New York. We've been talking about this for months. It's been months ago since I met her. If everything again works out, I'll tell like the full story because it's a super cool story on how we met. What I am very like excited about is I have had like some, not job opportunities, but like potential job opportunities come into play in like many different major cities, and not like people are like begging me to work for them or anything. It's just like I feel like I could get an interview. And so I don't know, and I've talked about on here about law school, and I don't think that's the right path for me right now in my life. I think I'm going to wait if I do go to law school a few years, because I'm a double major with finance and political science, and so I do have like, I have good degrees, you know, and I have potential and I have experience in different areas, and I kind of want to just like work and live my life right now and not do more school straight out of school, because college has been a lot on me. I really want to go to New York. I don't even know if I finished telling that story. Oh yeah, so anyway, so if I did go to New York, I would want to go like Saturday, I think it's December 15th, and stay through like that next Wednesday or Thursday, and like leave early in the morning on a Saturday and come back late on a Wednesday or Thursday night, so I can get like, you know, an extra day without like extra hotel room kind of thing, you know? So I was talking about my mom about her going with me, and so I'm trying to like save up my money. Like this is like my first time leaving my house really to go somewhere since school started. Like honestly, I've just been super good about like not spending any money because I really want to go to New York. And so I'm gonna go do my brows off camera, just because I feel like that's gonna be time that we can't get back. I'm back, I missed you. So I went ahead and did my brows, and then I went ahead and put concealer on my eyelids and a little bit of powder, sorry I couldn't think of the word. And so I'm not really going to do anything too dramatic with my eyes tonight because it's more of like casual, I guess. We'll just see where this goes. I'm using green, so I'm going casual. So yeah, what's new with y'all? Just added that powder so that way it'd be easy to dust off, and then I switched brushes to one that's a little bit more firm, and I sprayed some Fix Plus on it, and this is that Top Secret shade. So I want to live in New York. I want to go to New York for my birthday. I've always wanted to go to New York at Christmas time. I've only ever been in New York. I've been to New York in spring and then summer, and this would be my 5th time going, and I'm trying to really save my money so I can go basically like not for free, but without having to take a lot of money out of like, you know, savings, you know, because I mean that's where I want to live, and you know I need to go there again without just like moving there like when I graduate in May, just like going. I feel like I need to experience the colder months in New York first. But what's your favorite city? What cities do y'all like to travel to? I've never been to the West Coast. I think I also might would like LA. I know it's like totally different climate and everything, but still similar, like not even similar vibes, similar like speed, I feel like. I don't know, I feel like New York maybe a little bit more fast paced. I don't know, I can't really say anything. I've never been to the West Coast. Okay, it is a Thursday. I really need to like tone this down. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you the story of how I embarrassed myself in class the other day. So I told you I had to give a presentation. Well, every single like Tuesday, Thursday, I have this class, it's state and local government, and each week we have like It's like new people, like 4 people go on Tuesday, 4 people go on Thursday kind of thing. We were assigned like a day at the beginning of the semester, and my day was like Tuesday to go, and we had to give write a page paper and give like a little presentation, like a minute long, on whatever our topic was, and my topic was courts, and it had to be like a current event going on in a state or local court case kind of thing. And I went to do mine, and I don't know what happened. I've never been so nervous in my entire life. That's never happened to me before. I just got super shy and was super awkward in front of the entire class, and it was just like a super weird time. The teacher, I think, felt bad for me. Like, I was up there and I had my paper in my hand, and I was like, so I was like looking into court cases, and I don't know, I just like froze up, and I got through it, but it was not pretty, and I felt like people felt sorry for me because I was being just super shy, and I'm not even shy. Like, I make YouTube videos, not that like can make you unshy, but you know what I'm saying? So it's not like I don't know, and everybody in that class is super nice, and the teacher, she's super cool, and so I didn't really have, I don't know, I didn't have a reason to act the way I did. So yeah, it was super embarrassing. I ended up getting a 100. I didn't know it was that easy. I put a lot more effort into it than I think I had to, and so it wasn't like that's upsetting, but I don't know, I did not deserve a 100. I would not have given me a 100. You know, this is a Thursday. What am I doing with my makeup? Like, we are going in. Back to like New York City. I don't know, when I go in December, I really just kind of want to email a bunch of like potential companies before I go and be like, hey, I graduate in May, give them a little spiel about myself, and just be like, would it be possible if I come take a tour or something, you know, and just kind of like see what y'all are about. I don't know if that's a thing, if people do that. This nice lady at this company was willing to, and it's like a big company, one that I like could possibly work for, hopefully, maybe, I don't know. I just want to get there, make sure everything's like legit, and you know, it would really be something that I'm into, and I've done my research on the company, and it is legit. I just have really, really big dreams, and I just don't know how to make them happen just yet. Like, my dreams that I have are big, just like this color on my eyes. But yeah, flashing back to getting embarrassed in class. That's never, like, I loved speech class. I used to love giving speeches because it's like people have to listen to you the entire time that you're standing up there. Like, they don't have a choice. Like, you're basically the teacher for however long you're giving your speech, and that's why I've always loved speeches. And so I don't know what happened. I'm just so embarrassed. Like, I had class today in that same class, and I did not want to go back in there. Like, I was just still, I was like, they are still judging me. Like, it was like so embarrassing. Like, if that would have happened to someone else in the class, I probably would have left and like called my mom and just been like, this weird girl named Claire Dahl gave the most cringy minute-long current event speech today, and it was the worst. And I felt bad for her. That's what I would have done. My roommate's gonna come back in here, and she's literally gonna be like, Claire, I thought we said casual. I just kinda was feeling cool. There's so much new makeup coming out, and again, like, since I'm saving to go to New York, because I'm going to New York. Like, I don't care if I go by myself, I'm going. And I think it could be good to go by myself. I just want my mom to go. One, I'd feel safer, even though I want to move there, and two, I don't like to go do things alone, even though, again, I'm gonna move there. But I just feel like since I'm going like semi as a vacation type thing, I don't really want to go by myself. And my mom's never been to New York, so I really want to show her how great it is. There's always something happening. It's not like as busy as people make it out to be. Like, there are other parts of New York where you can just like walk in the streets and stuff. Like, it's not all Times Square, and I don't think people understand that. And what really made me realize I wanted to move to New York was when I went to New York in May on my pink incentive trip with Victoria's Secret Pink, and we kind of got to see the more business side of New York City and see like, oh, people actually live here, people actually work here. There's other things besides, again, like Times Square and Fifth Avenue, you know, it's like an actual, people live here. And I think I grew up in such a small area that I never really thought it was possible to live there, but now I'm seeing it's possible. I don't think that winged liner is looking good. I don't think it's even. A life update. I did those wings and they did not turn out how I wanted them to turn out, so I took them off, had surgery basically, trying to reconstruct my makeup and around my eyes. And so now I just finished applying that liner. I just did a top line because I'm going to put on some false lashes. Yeah, so nothing really new has happened in my life. No boyfriend, no dates. Because really my mind is just like set on New York or like anywhere like New York. I just feel like New York has always been like home for me. But I had 2 tests Monday. One of them I'm pretty sure I got an A in, the other one I did not do good. Did not do good on that. I have another essay due next week, and then fall break is in like 2 weeks. Just trying to get a break these days, you know, it's hard. It's hard being a working woman and in school. It's a lot. It's a lot. It's really pretty. I'm just so happy. Like, it's like the weather now is like cooled off. It's like not cool, but I brought a jacket yesterday and today to class with me because it was like a pinch of coolness, fall in the air. You could tell cold is on the way. Ready for big sweatshirts and hoodies and leggings and thigh-high boots and sweatshirts and sweater dresses and scarves, and not that we really ever wear scarves in Alabama. I would like to have the option to wear a scarf if I wanted for cuteness, you know. This makeup is just so extra. I just feel like now I can't go super casual because now my makeup is like bomb. This is like a super thick brush. Why did I use this? I used to use this all the time, but then I realized that it's not a good idea. I just picked this up. I'm gonna use this new, it's a blotted liquid lip from Victoria's Secret. It says it's sheer in the shade Skinny Dip. I'm gonna open this real quick. Oh, that's not what I thought it was gonna be. Let's see if it tones down. Cause I can't have all this going on. It is Thursday. You know, I really do wish I liked country music more because I really wanted to go to that, like I wanted myself to want to go to that country concert. I can't wear this lipstick either. Lining my lips with this pencil from Victoria's Secret in a nude shade. And then I'm gonna see just what this super nude gloss is. I've been trying this. I've tried this in like 3 of my videos and it just hasn't worked yet. I think I may switch it on my way out the door. I still don't even know what I'm wearing. I thought I was gonna wear like a light blue and white top, but with this, I don't know if I can do that. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed watching me get this look. It was very simple, even though I didn't really work my way through it, talking to y'all about it. And I hope you got to enjoy the boring little update in my life. Thank you again for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Sorry this was kind of boring. I didn't have coffee before this like I normally do, so I was kind of like, meh, you know, meh. Next one will be more exciting, so make sure to subscribe. Don't leave me without giving me a thumbs up and a comment. Let me know what you think, as long as it's nice, or give your honest opinion. It was great to see you here, and have a great day. Bye!